never sorted. You'd always say it goes. All of the other rangers used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "Hey, hey, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?" Then all the reindeers loved him as they shouted out with glee, "Yippee! Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, you go down in history. Sing, it's good for you. It's Christmas, spread the love.